Today we are going to begin or to start learning how to make natural yogurt. So you wash your hands thoroughly. Then after that, you pick your needle. With this, I started with 3 cups of needle. So I believe as a beginner, you can also start with 1 cup, 2 cups, or 3 cups of needle. So as you can see, I took my needle and poured them into my basin. Yes, a very big basin that could accommodate all the things that we are going to add to the needle. Okay, so with 3 cups of needle, I am going to need 3 cups of warm water and then 3 cups of normal temperature water. I wouldn't say cold water, so it will be normal temperature water, but 3 cups of warm water and then 3 cups of normal temperature water. You have to make sure you boil the water. So yes, you can see I'm pouring all the 3 cups of needle into the basin. Sure. The items that you're going to need for the yogurt, we have needle, sugar, color, yogurt, flavor, condensed milk. So here I am measuring the cups of water to add to the needle. This is the normal temperature water that I am measuring. 3 cups, as I said. It should be 3 cups. You measure it just as being stated. 3 cups. Then after that, you stir it with the whisk. You stir the needle mixed with the normal temperature water with the whisk. You stir it till you see that it is well mixed with the water. It should be stirred thoroughly so that it wouldn't create that balls inside it. Now I am adding the 3 cups of warm water. 3 cups of warm water. 3 cups of warm water. So in total, the 3 cups of needle needs 6 cups of water, of which 3 of it will be a normal temperature water and the other 3 will be warm water. And after that, you stir it thoroughly as well. You stir it thoroughly to make sure there isn't balls inside it. They are all mixed up very well with the water. As the camera draws closer, you could see it being mixed thoroughly, very well. So I increased the tempo as I stirred. Then after that, you sieve the needle into a different basin. You sieve the needle into a different basin and then continue on stirring. You stir, making sure the warm water and the lukewarm water had actually mixed very well in order not to spoil the process. Then you dip a finger inside it, and that is the reason why we washed our hands very well in the beginning with soapy water. Then after that, we rinse it again in a clean water. So you dip your hand to make sure that in case it burns your hand, it means it's too warm and you have to make it feel lukewarm, or you allow it to sit for some minutes to feel lukewarm. Now after it feels lukewarm, you fetch half cup of the mixed needle. You fetch half cup. Then you take your yogurt. What I'm holding in my hand is called yogurt, and it is what actually solidifies the whole thing that we are making. It should be solidified. It should become somehow solid. So you take half of the yogurt. Remember, I said half of the yogurt. Either 3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups of needle. You still need to take half of the yogurt, because the more you take it, the sour it makes your yogurt taste. So you take half of the yogurt. This is half of the yogurt that I am adding to half cup that I fetched. Then after that, you stir, and make sure it mixes with the half cup of yogurt that you fetched. After stirring for 3-4 minutes, you pour it back into the big basin of yogurt. You pour it inside it, but it must be sieved. So you sieve it. Then after that, you stir to make sure that the yogurt has mixed adequately with the yogurt. Yes, you stir it very well. And make sure the yogurt is very well mixed with the yogurt in the big basin. With your whisk, you stir it very well. Make sure the whisk enters every angle of the basin and stir it very well, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then after that, you cover the basin with a clean foil. When you go and buy your items, don't forget to buy a clean foil. You cover the yogurt with a clean foil so that air wouldn't enter and spoil your yogurt. It should maintain the same temperature that it holds until it ferments. So you could see I am covering my basin with the foil. I'm covering it with the foil. I'm done with it, and I'm cutting the part where I wouldn't need. That is the foil. Yes, I'm placing it well in order not to allow air to enter into the yogurt. Then after that, I cover the yogurt or the basin with 8 lid. I'm covering it with 8 lid. So you have to get a big cloth. This is a very big cloth I bought just for my yogurt. A very big cloth like this. I've folded it into 4, and that is what I'm going to use to cover the yogurt, to make sure the yogurt maintains its room temperature in order to help it ferment as expected. So get a cloth, a very thick cloth, of course, a very thick cloth, else you're going to spoil your yogurt. After that, you put a polythene bag on it again. Find a very big polythene bag, a big one, of course. Then lastly, you put this sack. You can get any sack, a clean sack bigger than this one, so that you will feel easy wrapping it around the basin. Then lastly, we put it in a Ghana must go bag. In Twi we call it Fira Swami. All this makes sure that the temperature needed in fermenting the yogurt is in session, or it maintains its adequate temperature that actually ferments the yogurt. So after this, you keep it in a cool place, in a dark place for 8 hours. Remember, I said 8 hours. It should be hidden in a dark area for 8 hours. Then after 8 hours, we shall continue with the class. Thank you.